How would Cartesian physics explain time dilation?
Descartes uses the second element to explain all phenomena involving space and time. We extend the second element to create three force particles called timespace, aetherspace, and spacetime. Time dilation comes from the inverse relationship between spacetime and timespace.
This happens from displacement of spacetime from the first rule of motion.
Descartes exposed this through red photons traveling fast in glass, but spinning slowly. This is now called redshift, which is a dilation of the wavelength. Blue photons, on the other hand, travel slowly but spin fast. This is now called blue shift, which is a contraction of the wavelength.
The ordinary movement of the first element is to roll. The white bodies are those where the first element rolls straight.
The macro-aetherspace is now called dark energy. This limits the speed of space particles to 300,000 kilometers per second. The more a thing travels at the speed of spacetime, the slower its timespace will vibrate. This leads to slower time. The slower a thing moves, the faster its timespace will vibrate. This leads to faster time. Time dilation is therefore the red shift of timespace. Time contraction is the blue shift. Relativity has a similar idea, except that it sources the cause of time dilation to relative speeds. But to Descartes, the relative speeds are caused by the relational spins or frequencies. This allows teleportation by spin change, something that is unthinkable in relativity.
But a satellite in orbit shows time moving faster instead of slower. Why is that?
This is because the second factor in time dilation is the density of spacetime particles. A higher spacetime density leads to slower time, as it reduces the ratio or density of time-space particles. This is best seen in the Parker probe, which is near the Sun. A lower spacetime density leads to faster time, as it increases time-space density. This is seen in GPS. Instead of relative density, general relativity uses the absurd concept of a curved spacetime, where the curved space has more density as gravity, and the flat space has less.
Thanks for watching. Please like the video so we'll make more of it, or dislike it so we'll make less. Subscribe or share a video to let us focus on that topic.